Mikayla, and we're here with the Food Boat Show. I hijacked it, so it's my show now.
Introduce
This is Reggie. He's amazing. He's been cooking since he was 14 years old. You learned in West Ashley High School?
Yeah.
They have a great culinary program there.
Funny enough, I actually wasn't supposed to cook for a living. I was either going to do engineering, music, because I learned how to play 7 different instruments, or the Marines. But I don't know why cooking stick. But look at me now. The main importance of this dish is more of the crab cake. This recipe, it's not your traditional crab cake. It's a little bit more different. I took all the veg that usually go inside, the onion, celery, all that stuff. It's getting cooked down right now, right here. And it's mainly because it's gonna be a side rice dish. So that's why it's cooking separate. And I just want to not double down on that. It's a personal thing. I have some crab meat. It's not really lump crab. We'll recommend that you do get local crab meat. More healthier, personally. It's also carbon footprint. So, I have Dukes. Making crab cakes, you always need Dukes. I have tried making it with like fresh mayonnaise before. It's just not it. I'm actually going to go ahead and use these veggies. They're a little bit more coarser. I would want them to be a little more finer if I'm adding it to crab cakes, but guess what? That's fine. We have, and I have, just in case I need some more inside it. This is just regular Dijon mustard. I don't know what you're talking about. Local eggs for them. They also do like poultry, beef, and pork. Great farm. Seasonings, always obey. Just decent amount. Perfect. I'm not worried at all about that. Garlic powder, like pepper. You can use black pepper if you want. No, I love it. It just needs to be used appropriately. Some people just use the crap out of it. Half of a squeezed lemon. Chili flakes. And Worcestershire.
Wow.
And you just mix it. Mix it. I also have some breadcrumbs, but I want to see how much I need to add to this first though. Some panko breadcrumbs. The panko is going to swell up a bit from moisture, from the moisture, and it's gonna actually thicken up some. I'm gonna get you to help me shape them.
I can help you shape them?
Oh, she's gonna help. Never mind, stay mic'd up.
You want to open the obey. These eggs are pasteurized. I pasteurize them myself, but I still eat raw eggs. As long as it's coming to a good area. Yep, some obey. Keep on going. Keep on going. Yep. That's why I don't use the spout part, because sometimes
it's ruined. Yeah.
and then, yep, that right there.
Yeah.
So all I'm doing here is just stuffing that in. Appreciate that there. Now, if you grab the salt and you're going to go in with 3-pinch, yeah, and sprinkle that in. Do 2 more of those. Got it. It's thicking. Now we just gotta shape it. It used to get on my nerves, I'm not gonna lie. At first it made me feel like, yeah, I'm in a real kitchen, but after a while it's like,
just
heard. Like, I heard, like, well, if I respond with heard, I really did heard you. I'm not trying to be a smart line.
Yeah.
I did that once and the chef got upset and he was like, who you saying heard to? I'm sitting here like, I was just, okay. You're gonna do a rough chop on these. So I'm gonna let it sit for a second, making it. So we also just gonna chop in the dill. Can't really roll it because it's not like no basil or nothing. I'm gonna add this in real fast. Yeah, so I have the celery. These are celery leaves, by the way. I'm gonna do it halfway, like this. And you can do the other one. So like I said, not a particular way. Just get it in a bunch. Knife, like this. Pinch it. Do it like this. It's gonna hurt your finger over time.
Oh, okay.
So you do it like that. You can have more control. You can choke up on it more. But all I do is I just kind of stay right here. This thing called a bear claw. Bear claw is gonna help because you're riding the knuckle. This is your leading finger. Everything is behind. Everything is behind my finger. So it's a good chance I won't get cut. Yeah. If you're not paying attention, sometimes it happens. As you can see, I have done it before. Yeah, so this is all I'm doing right here. Just quick
It looks so cool the way like.
rough chop on it. You don't have to let it completely rot your finger. I've been cutting for a while, so it's like, but yeah, then you can do it like that. Now, my knife is sharp enough, so you see all that cutting that I did, but you see how much green is on the board?
Yeah.
Not much at all. That's pretty much like the dill that's pretty much on the board. That's what you always want to go for when you're chopping herbs. The more green on the board, the more the flavor is on your, that's all the flavor right there. You can take your time.
It's not.
No, yeah, you're fine. No. All right, so now you got that finished cut. Turn it. Oh, turn the herb. Yeah, turn the herbs itself. Spread it out some. Yeah, and then bunch it, and then come right back across again. You're the first person that catch on that fast.
Really?
To that. Yeah. Put your finger right here, and this is. Here you go. And actually, you can do that whole thing. Yep.
What is creme fraiche?
It's like heavy cream, salt, lemon. But you let it sit, and you see all that separations right there, and it's thickened up. Just like cheese, it's kind of
Yeah.
ferments.
Nice.
Inside of there. Put that inside there. A little bit of Dijon. What I do, since I don't have a whisk, break it down and just mix it in. Because you're about to add another lemon juice inside here. So now, if you want, here you go. Here you go. Yep. Then just add those 3 things. All right. Keep on going. Keep on going. And then 3 strips of those of Worcestershire. Perfect. A 4 scoop. 3 fingers. Right there. Perfect. Mix all that in together. Yeah. Usually you want to use like a, what you call it, a whisk. For crab cakes. So you can able to shape it. And I just added out some. And then boom. And you can do like 3 of those. Is it gonna stay? That's pretty much straightforward what a crab cake is. You want to make your veggies a little bit more smaller, like a small dice. To truly be honest with you, you can do whatever the heck you want. Some people get uptight about, oh, it needs to be this certain way, and as y'all know me, I don't worry about tradition. The butter cannot be tossed. Butter is way too expensive just to be thrown away. This is a fish spatula. These 2. I would have went to go get crab and just pick it myself.
Ah, yeah.
Boom.
Looks amazing.
You know, nice color, plump enough. So I didn't want these tomatoes to go to waste. Added some tomatoes inside of here. I just want to be a tad bit more thicker. But other than that, see, I don't mind bringing you to one of my events. I wouldn't have to worry. Yeah, see. See, it's not like super loose and it's coming back together. Yeah, that's what you really want. You're just gonna go ahead, lift, shake onto the spatula. You do that. Boom, and here you go. I'm about to do a nice classic plating. I'm really not a big fan of this plating style just because it's kind of useless. So boom. I don't know, if you ever go look at any classical plating dishes, they use so much whole parsley that it's useless. They would pile it up like this. I'm not gonna eat that whole thing. I cut these for individual stuff. All right, and now
We're gonna take a picture, and then It's fair game.
Extra virgin olive oil. Taste it. It's coming up.
Oh my God.
Thumbs up, as always, Reggie. Spectacular.
So Reggie is a private chef. You can hire him. He's been cooking since he was 14. Very talented and a very great teacher.